Good morning class. Today we will learn a new topic, that is preposition. My dear friends, let me tell you first what is a preposition. So friends, a preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other words in a sentence. Clear? Let me tell you once more. Now, a preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun. Basically, it is used with a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other words in a sentence. For an example, the book is on the table. Clear? When I ask, where is the book? Where is the book? Now see, the answer came to our mind, on the table. On the table. When I ask where is the book, on the table. Now see the second question, what is on the table? Now see the book. So this is noun, this is a phrase. This is a phrase. Now see, the book is on the table. When I ask what is on the table, see the book. Where is the table? Where is the book? Sorry, on the table. This is a phrase. The phrase which begins with a preposition, that is called prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase. Clear? The phrase which begins with a preposition is called a prepositional phrase. So, on the table is a prepositional phrase and the book is a noun. Now see, a preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other words in a sentence. Clear? Let's discuss more about the example for preposition. For an example, the cattle are grazing in the field. When I ask who are grazing in the field, the answer will automatically come to our mind, the cattle. When I secondly ask where are the cattle grazing, then suddenly the answer will come to our mind, in the field. See, so this is the relationship between a noun or a pronoun, and it shows the relation of other words in a sentence also. So when this is the noun and this is the prepositional phrase, in the field. Clear? So dear friends, let's discuss more about what is a prepositional phrase. Let me tell you first, a noun phrase beginning with a preposition is called a prepositional phrase. The noun phrase beginning with a preposition is called a prepositional phrase. For an example, the monkey is in the tree. Now see, the monkey is in the tree. In the tree. See, I already underlined in the tree. So this is a prepositional phrase because it begins with a preposition. The tree is a noun and it is also a noun phrase. The noun phrase, now see, the noun phrase beginning with a preposition is called a prepositional phrase. So, in the tree is called a prepositional phrase. Clear? Let's discuss more example for prepositional phrase. For an example, the truck went down the hill. Now see, the truck went down the hill. Now, down the hill. I have already underlined down the hill. So this is a prepositional phrase. Clear, class? This is all about preposition. And next class we will deal the types of preposition and where we use the correct preposition in English language and literature. So this is all about preposition. Thank you all. I think you enjoyed a lot.